Okay, so this is the third part of possessive adjectives. In this video, I will be covering. Okay, so we all know what is nous. Nous means we in French. No, so how do we say now our? Our dog, our house. For our, we use the word notre, which is colored in red. Okay, notre chien, notre maison. Now you can see that for masculine and feminine, both I'm using the word notre. So yes, in French, when we have to say our, for masculine and feminine, we will use notre. The same word, N-O-T-R-E. Okay, but in case we are talking about plural, we will not use notre, we will use N-O-S. So basically there are two types of R's in French. One is notre, which is used for masculine and feminine, and other is N-O-S, which is used for plural. Okay, notre chien, even though dog is masculine, we will use notre. Notre maison, maison, house, it is feminine, we will use notre. But when we are talking about friends, group of people, nos amis, N-O-S, N-A-M-I-S, okay, we will use plural. So I hope this is clear that for R, we have to use notre for masculine and feminine, and N-O-S when we are talking about plural. Now, let's learn to say their. How do we say their in French? Their dog, their song, their house. We use le, L-E-U-R. Similarly, as the rules apply similar to notre. Okay, for masculine and feminine, we'll use le. What do we mean by il and l? They. Yes, it means they. I-L-S-E-L-L-E-S means they. And L-E-U-R means their. Okay, so don't get confused. Les chiens, les chansons, song. Chanson means song. Their dog, even though dog is masculine, we're using les. Chanson, feminine, we're using les. Same word. Now, les amis, their friends, because friends is plural. So we will put an S in front of les. L-E-U-R-S. This we will use for the plural form. Les chansons, their songs. Okay, so there are also two types of there, le and L-E-U-R-S. We just put an S. Okay, I hope this is clear. Let's move ahead. Okay, now let's talk about exceptions. These are very important and you need to listen to them very carefully. We all know what is ma, ta, sa. Well, we use them. They are the adjective possessives we use when we are talking about any feminine object. For example, ma maison, my house. House is feminine, so I used ma. Ta maison, your house. Sa maison, his or her house. Okay, but when an object which starts with a vowel or a silent H, the M-A, T-A and S-A become M-O-N, T-O-N, S-O-N. And what are these? These are the masculine form of possessive adjectives which we use in front of the masculine objects. Okay, so if a word is starting with a vowel, it does not matter what gender it is, or it is starting with a silent H, it does not matter which gender it is. We will use M-O-N, T-O-N and S-O-N. So please carefully note down this exception and keep in mind while writing and reading French. Okay, with practice we'll be able to get it. A lot of practice is required as there are a lot of exceptions to French grammar. Okay, now I have written few examples. Her school, so I call, starts with E, so S-O-N is used. Mon ami, A, starts with vowel, so that's why M-O-N is used. Son loge, what, his clock, starting with silent H, so we have used S-O-N. Okay, vowels and silent H will use M-O-N, T-O-N and S-O-N. Okay, so keep practicing and keep all these exceptions in mind. Subscribe to my channel and you can write your doubts and comments. We'll have a chat. Okay, thank you.